Hi everyone, my name is Chef Jeremy Lovell and today I'm going to share a special recipe with you guys. Right, so today I'm going to show you all how I make my local fave cow heel sauce. We're going to start with all our local ingredients that typically goes in the sauce. Our habanero pepper, half, Chadon Beni, pimento, right, before the actual cooking of the cow heel, I prefer to pressure cook my cow heel. I mean that you could boil it, but I prefer to pressure cook it to get it soft and tender enough so it will absorb the ingredients and absorb the flavor of the ingredients a little better. Right? Cucumber. You must add cucumber. Cucumber adds to that nice chowy taste. Red onions. Now you don't have to use red onions, you can use white onions. Red onions is just my preference. Chive. Salt to taste. Black pepper. Water. And last but not least, our lime juice. You can't have a good sauce without lime juice. Stir. And we leave to marinate and then serve.